Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Cat Troubles stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it's a 14-piece set. You get 4 images and 10 sentiments. This set is so cute. I just love the sentiments you get. You get the sentiment Whoopsie, you got this, been one of those days, I saw that going so differently, go with the flow, best frenemies, they said, you make me LOL, embrace life, and LOL. I stamped the images out for you so you can see what they look like. As you can see, it stamps out really nice and the images are really cute. The biggest image measures approximately 3.5 inches tall, and the other 2 images are about 1.5 to 2 inches tall. And they measure approximately 2 to 2.5 inches wide. I did make a card to share with you. I paired the cat stamp set up with the Slimline observation die. I used it for the frame. I used the wavelengths embossing folder to add some texture, and the kitty cat extra die set I used for the word meow. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.